Alright, so guys, this is what we call a cabin filter, a combination filter, activated charcoal filter. I just call it the interior filter. And what that does is all of the air that's going into your car whenever you turn on the air conditioner or anything, this just keeps it clean. And there's some that actually work normally, but they work even better when there's a lot of carbon dioxide or there's a lot of like smoke in the air, blah blah blah. So yeah, let's not get too into it. This ain't no scientific lesson or anything like that. So yeah, let me show you where the location is firstly. Alright, so in short, all I need to do is pull this part away. So I'm going to put my hands in there behind it and I'm just going to pull. And because Mercedes are nice or smart, I don't like calling this a Mercedes because it's not, it's a smart car. But yeah, let me not gas up the smart car owners. And just pull this away, so nice and firm. We've pulled that part away, just keep that down to the side. And now, if I bring you down here with me, that panel, as you can see, is held in by all of these clips here. So don't think you've snapped anything or broken anything, you've literally just done it the right way. And in here, this little panel down here, I've got to boost this up again, 20,000 ISO, still looks decent, is where the combination filter, the cabin filter, the air, not the air filter, but that's where it's kept. So now all I'm going to do, I'm going to pull on this. It's actually brighter on the camera than it is in person, and I'm going to swivel it out, and there you have it. So that was it. You can see how it's held in, literally with those two clips. Make sure you put it back the right way. Let's put that down. Next, all I'm going to do, I'm going to pull out the old one, but I'm also going to look and make sure I can tell what way it comes out, so that way when I'm putting the new one in, I can make sure I'm putting it in the right way, because it won't work properly if you put it the wrong way. Doesn't matter at all actually, but yeah, as you can see, it is in decent condition. But what I really like about it is that on the top here, it tells you what direction to put it in. So the writing goes at the top, and let's just wait for it to go into focus. I'm not a fan of this lens, I will be getting a new one soon. I'll just do it that way. Over here you can see it says airflow that way, so you know the air is going to pass through it through this side, so you know when you put it in, it needs to be that way. So all I'm going to do now, I'll grab the new one and I'll just make sure I put it and check that everything's roughly the right size. Perfect. And I'm going to make sure on the top I've got the writing on the top, and the airflow, the arrow should be pointing the other way. So currently it's pointing that way. I need to turn it around and install it that way. And as you can see, it is now back in. It's now nice and flush. All I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put in this cover back and then replace the side panel there. So yes guys, all installed. If you can't see, just put your head under there. Just be careful you don't whack your head, but just pop your head underneath to make sure you can see everything clearly and make sure everything's back in, otherwise you'll get all of that rattling when you're driving. But yeah guys, that's the video. Give it a like if this video has helped or you've learned something. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.